you can actually delegate the domain duties to different users. So for example, I'm going into the ITS container, I'm choosing the user K Taylor, and I'm going to assign this particular user delegation control so that they can actually reset the passwords for the other users in the IT container. And so that's the only delegation I am giving this particular person. And so they will not have admin rights, but they will have delegation control in the container itself. And it's a really nice uh, duty to have for the network administrators because you can share the workload. If you get too busy, like if you have a 10,000 user network and you want to share those duties, you can definitely do that with delegation. And it's a pretty straightforward process. So as you can see here, I'm giving this person the access to change or reset passwords for users in this particular organizational unit. And it's pretty straightforward, pretty easy, but it's definitely something you want to look into if you're a very busy network administrator. All right,